Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on the application of Duolingo. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we will search about Duolingo. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.